Yeah, because when she come back, I'm not happy again.
Hey guys. Talia?
Tiffany?
Tiffany? Karim, we need to talk.
I don't know what said to you, Tiffany.
It's okay, Karim. I'm not here to make things hard for you. I'm actually here to apologize.
Apologize? For what?
For being selfish. For pulling you into a section of my life I know you wouldn't be able to handle.
To tell you the truth, Tiffany, I really love you, but this thing get way too confusing for me.
I know. And that's why I'm here. I can't help but think that I'm responsible for my mother's passing. It's tearing me apart.
But you can't blame yourself for that, babe.
Trust me. You don't know the half of it. I have a troubled family and I'm a spoiled child. Me after coming to terms with that and stop living in denial. I owe it to the memory of my mother to do something positive with my life.
When is the funeral?
There will be none.
Why?
My mother always wanted to be cremated. So we're just gonna have a small gathering at her family house in Westmoreland and just scatter the ashes around the beach houses. Around the beach house that's there.
Tiffany, I'm really sorry you got through all of this.
That's fine. I helped to create this mess, so I'm paying for it now. She's a nice girl. She'll make a great partner.
You don't feel no way?
Of course. But we can't be together anymore. I'm starting a new journey, and you've obviously started one for yourself.
You know I'm gonna always love you, right?
You better.
Thanks for encouraging me to start my own business.
Come on. You know I got you. I started it, and the right person made it happen.
Tiffany, where you go? Tiffany, lately, where you go?
So, Talia, or Tiffany, you play me?
Hey, at that time I was upset and I was bitter. But now I see that you're the one for Karim.
Really?
Tonian, right?
Yep.
He's a good guy. Please, take care of him. I give him a whole heap of problems. But from what we see right here, you got peace to him. So, a really time for me grow up and realize who the better woman is.
You know, in another life, I think we'll be sisters.
I think so too.